So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Target Hound by Hyskore. It's a portable target support. So what comes with it are these braces right here. Bolt them together, and then you can use 2x4s to mount your targets, just like in the image here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. That's what it looks like. That's what should be included. And then if you really want, you can add 2x4 supports so you can put larger, heavier targets on it, or use it in a very windy situation. So let's see what we have here. Yep, there we go. Looks like it's pretty simple, easy, and straightforward. Looks like I'll need to pick up the bolt there. So, I'm going to work at putting this together. One nice thing I just noticed is you can use 2x4s in this slot. It looks like you can use 1-inch lumber in this slot. Never used lumber that small, but if you have it, use it. That literally took 2 minutes to set up. That was the easiest thing ever. Tools you'll need is a 9/16 socket and a 13mm end wrench. But if you don't have a 13mm, these screws are made for a Phillips screwdriver as well. So you just hold it in place with Phillips. You can use the 9/16 to attach the bolt. Now, the board fits in there very well. There's a little bit of wiggle in there, but let's be honest, it makes it a lot easier to take down and carry around when it's loose like that. If you do want to attach the board, there's holes drilled on that side, on the front, and on the other side. So you can have a maximum of up to 6 screws. I think that's a bit excessive, but to each their own. Now, with messing around, I had a few of these little 1.25" sheetrock screws. The head is too small. So you do want a screw with a bit more substance. I have a leg bolt here. This little leg bolt works very well. Fits in there perfect. And this one is probably longer than I'd like to use, just because it takes forever to drill in there, but you can pick leg bolts up in a variation of shorter lengths at your local hardware store. All in all, that's pretty much all you do. You get some 2x4s, some cardboard, and you go to the range and have fun. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. You can find Cedarmillfirearms at Cedarmillfirearms.com. You can also find them on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.